Here's the old OEM one from Germany, from Deutschland. So this is the performance part that you need, that you didn't know you needed, that you needed. So pretty easy swap. 13mm up here. You gotta loosen the lock nut over here, and then adjust the slack out of this cable. Right now I got it, looks like I got it pretty close. Let's go see what it looks like when we fire it up. These kind of like to rev a little higher on the RPM side. Alright, so it's like right around 1200 RPM, so I'm gonna loosen it just a tad. Maybe try to get it to idle around 1,000. Alright, we got it idling around $1,000. See that cam's doing its job. See that little movement? That's what you're looking for. Hopefully the cable holds up.